What's up YouTube, it's Matthew here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you all are going to hear me follow up with a seller. I submitted an offer on their property. So essentially I went earlier this week on Monday to see their house. Their house is probably worth $240, $250 on the market. They're moving to a assisted living home. And so I offered them $160. It wasn't that far off than what he was looking for, he said, but he said it was close to his number. But he said he wanted to wait until he spoke with other investors. And so he said he'll let me know on Friday, but today's Friday, but I'm gonna end up just calling him just to get an update, and we'll just hear that call, how that call goes. I'll see if there's anything I can do. If he went with someone else, be like, hey, is there anything else that I could do to have you come with me, or what would it take for you to go with us, or something like that. I don't even know if he made a decision or anything, but yeah, you all are going to hear that call right now. So if you all don't mind, this is awesome raw content. This is actually me in the trenches working in real estate. It's crazy, you all. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. And so let's head right into this call.
Hello.
Hello, Harold. This is Matthew. How are you doing?
Hey, Matthew. I'm doing all right. You doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Yeah, the sun is out, so everything's fine. Yeah, I'm just following up with you just to see.
Well, I've got one more bid coming in today, and that's why I haven't called yet. But you're way below what I'm getting.
Oh, okay.
So, I mean, you're way below, so I'd have to tell you that I'm sorry, but I've got to go with one of the higher bidders.
Okay, what price ranges were they around, just so I can know?
Oh, I've got them up to over $200,000. The best one was that I like is somebody like you that says they'll give me a check for $200,000 and they'll buy the house as is, and it's their baby. I don't have to worry about it.
Okay, so I guess, is that your best offer?
Matthew, let me tell you something. I got the assessor from the county, and they assessed it at $247,000.
Right.
I had one guy come in, and he said he could sell it for $265, but when he come and told me all the stuff he was going to take off of it, he only gave me $1,000 more than you. He said $161,000. I said, where in the world are you going to make all that money? I mean, boy, he was going to make a pile of it, wasn't he?
Right. Yeah, the thing is...
I dismissed him, Matthew.
Yeah.
I told him he might as well go. I said, you give me a card saying no closing costs and no this and no that. Then you turn around and write and tell me now that, hey, you're going to take it out there before you give me a check. I said, you can forget it.
Right. I got you. It's just,
But
yeah.
I'm down to 3 people, but if you come up and match it or something, I enjoyed talking to you. I like you, and I wouldn't mind doing business with you.
Okay, yeah, for sure. So, yeah, just to be
Give
cute.
me a call if you can match it, but right now, the best I got is they say that they'll give me, this is the best without having to put it on the market.
Okay, so your best...
$200,000. They said they'd give me $200,000.
Okay, so your best...
They would take the house.
Okay, so your highest offer right now is $200,000?
Right.
Okay, and
Now I've got two people that are realtors that says they can put it up. They want to put it on the market, and they say they can get more. But I would rather take the $200,000 and drop it and let them worry about it, because I got to go.
right, yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, the reason why I think I was around the 160 range was because, yeah, I think your property is worth, like the tax assessor, like you said, $240. But I think that's all fixed up with us putting all the updates in. We can sell it on the market.
Yeah.
So that's after us putting 30, 40 grand into it.
You give me a call, okay?
Okay, yeah.
I'm going to do business with you, and it'd be a pleasure to do it with you.
So if we come up to that price, would you go with us?
Okay, yeah. She's matches, yeah.
You would go with us than the other person if we match it?
I'd really consider it until I get this next bid, yeah.
Okay.
And I got one bid coming sometime today. And if your bid beats them, you give me that, yeah, I'd go with you.
Okay. Okay. I respect
All
that.
righty?
All right.
They say, I like doing business with you. We're honest with each other.
Right. I like that. I think we connected on that level.
Okay.
So, okay. So I
Thank
guess,
you, Matthew.
yeah, for sure.
Good talking to you. Have a good day.
All right. You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. All right, you all. You all just heard that call, how it went. So, I think I was pretty right with my numbers. He said the tax assessors, because like recently, like this county and that county recently got tax assessors value of their home and their mail, and the prices were pretty high, like pretty good, like showing the market value of their property. All in great condition, right? His house does need some updates, but yeah, that's something he got, and he's basing off of his money off of, right? Getting that close to that number. And so he got an offer at 200,000. I was at 160. I think my max I wanted to go was 175. And he talked about how someone else went in there and said, yeah, I can sell it on the market, but I have to be at 161. So, that even that other investor was saying that they need to put updates into the property. It doesn't need a ton of updates, honestly. Maybe 20 grand, but like just to make sure everything's right and everything's safe. That's why I was there. And like I was saying, I talked with my partner who I would partner with on this deal, and we'll flip it together. He said, yeah, start at 165, but I started at 160. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'll call them. I'll get an update from him next week and see what he's thinking, and then go from there. So, because I don't even know if 200,000 makes sense. Like because I think the market value can go up to like 265, 270, like the way the market is going. So if you do buy it at 200, you could put 20, 30 grand into it. You can still make 30, 40 grand with this property. But yeah, that's just something to consider. I'm gonna stay patient. I'm not just gonna jump and offer that 200,000. It seems like he liked me. We're honest and real with each other. I'm going to also talk with my cash buyer to see what he's thinking. I'm going to say, hey, they got an offer for 200,000. Just to let you know, I'm still going to kind of sit on it a little bit, see what he's thinking, and go from there. But I hope you all enjoyed this video, just showing that sometimes your offers don't get accepted, right? Sometimes your offers are the lowest, like he said, mine was. And so we'll see what we can do, and we can go from there. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll talk to you all later. Peace.